guys, just got off work. Have a letter from Sea Otter Place, which means I got a redemption back from Upper Deck. Now I remember this one. I bought a pack of SP Rookie Thread football. I pulled a Bo Jackson dual auto with, I can't remember. Anyways, it was super sweet, but they didn't make it, so they replaced it. Now the fun part is, we find out what they replaced it with. Usually Upper Deck replacements do a very good job. I don't know why people have any issues at all with Upper Deck. I don't get it. I just don't get it. Now, warranted that this, what could have been a lot sweeter than it is, being that this is a single color patch, but I had the Bo Jackson dual auto, and what they replaced it with, Evgeny Malkin, 2008 SP Authentic Rookie Review Patch Auto. Not really what I was expecting. That's really funny. So that's awesome. This is an awesome card. So, what more do I need to say? Upper Deck done me right again. They always do.